I made this.
I don't think I could quit you unless it was for show.
This Christmas, my girlfriend gave me a cocktail set. I had never made cocktails before, but it seemed pretty cool. It had this little strainy thing, and this twirly thing, and also this glass thing, and I don't know what that's for, but it came with this metal thing, so I thought, how hard can it be? So I went to my local liquor store and I said, hey, Mr. Liquor Man, what kind of liquor should I use to make my first whiskey sour? And he said, obviously whiskey. And I said, but what kind? And he said, this kind. And I was like, what's this? And he's like, it's American-born bourbon. And I was like, is it good? And he's like, what does it matter? You've never made a whiskey sour before. And I said, good point. So now we're here and I'm gonna make a whiskey sour. There are a few things you need in addition to the whiskey to make the whiskey sour. Obviously the whiskey is important. You also need an egg, because we're gonna do this right. Lemon, because it's sour. And some simple syrup.
You took the cue and then you blew past the truth.
2 ounces of whiskey. 3/4 an ounce of simple syrup. 1.5 ounces of fresh lemon juice. 1 egg white. Damn it. 1 egg white. Now shake. Normally you put a whiskey sour in a cocktail glass, but I don't have one, so I'm using this. A whiskey glass with a big ass piece of ice. Now it's time to drink. Oh wow, that's actually really good. Whiskey sour. Alright baby, let's edit this.